Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a common conversion problem, and how to solve it easily within Excel, how to convert feet and inches to centimeters. Short, upbeat music intro with Rome Tips logo. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the Rome Tips channel for more Excel tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, so you've got measurements in feet and inches, maybe from a construction project, a design plan, or even just measuring furniture. And now you need those measurements in centimeters for a report, a C80 drawing, or just general consistency. Converting manually can be tedious and error-prone. Luckily, Excel can do the heavy lifting for you. In this video, we'll cover two main methods. Asterisk Method 1, using Excel formulas. We'll break down the conversion process step by step using simple formulas, so you understand why it works, not just how. Asterisk Method 2, combining formulas for efficiency. We'll streamline the process into one concise formula for faster conversion when you're dealing with a large dataset. Let's get started. Screen recording of Excel worksheet begins. Okay, so here we have a simple Excel sheet with two columns, feet and inches. Let's say we have some measurements here, 5 feet 6 inches, 7 feet 2 inches, 10 feet 0 inches, and so on. Type in some example data. Method 1. Step-by-step conversion. First, let's convert feet to inches. We know that 1 foot equals 12 inches. So in a new column labeled inches from feet, type the following formula, equals A2 asterisk 12, highlight cell A2 and the formula. This multiplies the value in the feet column, A2 in this case, by 12. Press Enter. Drag the formula down to apply it to all rows. Now, we need to add the original inches to this value. Create another column labeled total inches. In this column, type the formula, equals B2 plus C2, highlight cells B2 and C2 and the formula. This adds the inches calculated from feet and the original inches from the inches column. Press Enter, and then drag the formula down. Finally, we convert inches to centimeters. We know that 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. Create a column labeled centimeters. In this column, type the formula, equals D2 asterisk 2.54, highlight cell D2 and the formula. This multiplies the total inches by 2.54. Press Enter, and drag the formula down. And there you have it. Your measurements are now converted to centimeters. This method is great because you can see each step of the calculation, which can be helpful for understanding the logic behind the conversion. Method 2, combined formula for efficiency. Now, let's look at a more efficient method. We can combine all those formulas into a single formula. This is useful when you're working with a lot of data and want to streamline the process. In a new column labeled centimeters combined, type the following formula, sadface A2 asterisk 12 plus B2, asterisk 2.54, highlight all cells A2, B2, and the formula. Let's break this down. A2 asterisk 12 converts feet to inches, plus B2 adds the original inches, and then asterisk 2.54 converts the total inches to centimeters. Press Enter, and then drag the formula down. Show that the results in both centimeters and centimeters combined columns are the same. See? We get the same results, but with just one formula. This method is faster and more efficient, especially when dealing with large datasets. Screen recording ends. So there you have it. 2 easy ways to convert feet and inches to centimeters in Excel. Choose the method that best suits your needs, whether you prefer understanding the steps individually or streamlining the process for speed. Remember to experiment with these formulas and adapt them to your specific needs. You can easily modify them to handle different units or add additional calculations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Rome Tips channel for more Excel tips and tricks. And let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or other Excel challenges you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Rome Tips video. Outro music with Rome Tips logo and social media handles.